This is outside my camper window right now, happening live. There was a robbery and a police chase.
All right, I had to join in on the Trump train because you know I love him. Check us out, guys. So now we went to Harbor Freight and we got that flagpole for $64, but we got 20% coupon, so it was actually $51. And anyway, let me show you what it is real quick. And it's well worth the money because it extends as 20 foot, I think, or 21 foot. There it is. I just tie wrapped it to my ladder, and the thing is, this tree is catching the flag, of course, but it's okay. At least it's there. Today, Dawn, this one's for you. We are eating at your favorite place, or at least something that's named after you. Let me show you. We decided to come here just for you, Dawn. So anyway, we're gonna go in here and eat. I'm gonna start some pictures of the food we're gonna eat.
My glasses.
So that restaurant was excellent, and now we're getting ready to do something that is a surprise for them in the back. They have no idea what we're doing, so I'll have some footage on the GoPro. Hopefully they'll record for me, and they'll be semi-okay. If not, you'll see it anyway. Alright, so they take the little short ride because Ken is going, and they're going to record with the GoPro, so we'll see what happens because Ken is really excited, I think.
Texarkana? How was it, Emma?
Alright, we decided to come here to the Myrtle Beach State Park. And it's beautiful coming in here, obviously. Yeah, so it's $8 per person to get in, and there's 6 of us, and there's like nothing to do here, so we're gonna leave. But it's pretty though. We came here one time 10 years ago, and it was pretty nice. Anyway, we decided to leave, as you can see. So my daughter decided to go get her nails done, but we came to this all-inclusive park for everybody. So basically for my daughter, and it's really neat. I wasn't gonna record anything down here, but they've got some pretty cool things that I definitely want to show you guys, which I think is pretty neat. So if you're ever in South Carolina, definitely come down here. We had to get back in the car. It was 94 degrees outside. It feels like 1,000 degrees because of the humidity. How can I? It is blistering outside. All right, well, we just got woken up to this. No idea what's going on, but it's I don't even know what time it is, so we're gonna find out. Somebody just got apprehended. Damn battery's going dead. Alright, so an update of what happened last night. So what happened was somebody was being robbed. Apparently they chased this guy from 24th Street, wherever heck that is. They said it was a long way. They chased him down here through the campground, which has a security gate, which I don't think, I mean, it's not like a gate, it's more like a security checkpoint. He came in, hauled ass down through the campground, which eventually I'm going to show you all a little tour of this place, and ended up on the beach stuck. Had a rainstorm here, and I think I showed you on another video where it looked like it just basically cut through a mountain in a little valley. His truck got stuck there, and he was out on foot. They chased him down, and they caught him, and he had paraphernalia and all that kind of stuff on him. Of course, my battery went dead at the wrong time, of course. You know, that's when it usually goes dead. So anyway, I didn't get to record it, but my wife has some footage on her phone, which I have now downloaded onto my phone, and I will hopefully insert it in here so you guys can see the rest.